pressed it. The machine was feeling hot. Let's see what we got. Quarterback, need to lock it up. Oh gosh. That should be nice. $225, take it. Do it again, lock it up. Oh, dirty. One in the middle. Just one. Massive. Let's go. Lock it up, lock it up, lock it up. Or retrigger. Retrigger would be massive. Now we're asking for too much. Come on, do something fancy. Two. That would have been mighty fine. $300. Take it, give you a bag up. Couple bag ups, let's see. One more. Nah. Alright, we're gonna play it out. We'll be back, we get something else, but thanks for watching. Shorty Slots, like and subscribe. Alright, it took about $40, so got back in it. See if we get something. Come on, lock it up. Come on, lock it up. Dirty. 3 stack. Dirty. Come on, retrigger. We have backups with it. Okay, you get the retrigger. Been kind of active. Come on. Alright. Thanks for watching. Shorty Slots, like and subscribe.